Baby girl, your body too bad, oh. Baby girl, you don't bust up my mind. Baby girl, your skin too tight, oh.
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there.
Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I made my reception dress for my wedding. Okay, I have an entire wedding series, so I have videos on how I made my wedding dress, how I made my wedding veil, how I made my pre-wedding dresses, wedding dress fabric shopping, all of that. I have a whole playlist, so if you haven't watched any of these videos, please, the playlist link will be in the description box down below, so please check it out guys. Okay, but for today I'm going to show you guys how I made my reception dress. My reception dress is actually a mermaid corset dress with a yoke and a basque waistline. I have a detailed tutorial on how to make a corset dress with a yoke and a basque waistline. I'm going to leave the link to that video in the description box down below. This video is not a detailed tutorial on that, so if you're interested in the detailed tutorial on how to make a corset with a yoke and a basque waistline, please check the description box down below. You'll see the link to that video. Okay, also if you want to know how to make a mermaid dress, like a detailed tutorial on how to make a mermaid dress, I also have the link to that video in the description box down below, so please check it out. Okay, but without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy this reception dress vlog style video where I show you guys how I drafted the pattern, how I embellished the dress, and all of that. Okay, so if you want to see how I made my reception dress, definitely keep on watching.
So I went ahead to cut my reception dress. Guys, I had just 2 yards of this lace. Can you believe that? So the initial style I had to make for my reception dress was something entirely different. I was supposed to use this lace for the top part, and then I was supposed to have like a very big style from the knee down. But guys, I just decided that my wedding dress was already a lot of work making a huge ball dress, so I wanted something very laid back, something very easy for the reception, something that I could really dance in. So I just decided to just make a very simple mermaid dress. Okay, so I made a corset mermaid dress. The corset has yoke and basque waistline. I have a detailed tutorial on how to make a corset dress with a yoke and a basque waistline, so this is not a tutorial on that. If you want to see the detailed tutorial, please my loves, check the description box. The link to that video will be there. It is very detailed, very easy to understand. And I also have a tutorial on how to draft a mermaid skirt pattern. That is also going to be in the description box down below. So that's why this is not a tutorial. This is just a vlog showing you guys how I did my reception dress, but I promise you will love this video. Okay, just stay tuned. So I went ahead to just draft the mermaid skirt pattern using the lace. As you can see, the lace is not even like the opening of the mermaid is not even very big. So I decided to use a crepe fabric as my lining. I did not use a regular cotton lining, neither did I use a doll face satin. I used just the crepe fabric under the lace because it honestly saved me a lot of time, and I honestly like how simple the crepe is.
Hey people, so this is the progress so far. I'm done with the front piece. I'm done putting the boning channels on it. It's actually very small. I don't know if you guys can see, it's about 1/4 of an inch wide. Okay, so this is the back, this is the front piece on fold. So obviously I cut it on fold. These are the yokes, but I'm honestly contemplating, guys. I don't think I want to put a yoke on this dress. I just want it to be a very lovely corset dress, and then I'm just going to put off shoulder sleeves. That's honestly what I'm contemplating, because I really love how off shoulder looks on my body, like the fit of an off shoulder dress on my body compared to a yoke. But if I'm going to eventually put a yoke, it might just be a sleeveless yoke. So I'm going to put the yoke, and then there's going to be no sleeves. Okay, I'm going to be using skin tone too, obviously. That's if I decide to put a yoke, but I honestly doubt I'll put a yoke. But it's good that I just cut it out just in case I would need to. And I'm also going to use this pattern to cut another corset dress for one of my Ashley ladies. Good thing we're the same size, so I'm just going to use the same pattern to cut hers, but that'll be much later when I'm done with my own dress. So yeah, that's the progress, guys.
At this point, I just wanted to just double my breast cup. If you've been following me on this channel, you know that I like to double my breast cup because I love the padding it gives when it's double. So I was just going ahead to just double my breast cup here, and I went ahead to just do the rest of the corset. Again, detailed tutorial is in the description box down below, guys. Check it out. Okay, check out the detailed tutorial.
So guys, I still need to hold this down part a bit here, so like it's more, curvy and shaky. And I want to put some pearls on one bow and here as well, and then I'm going to put some applique. I'm going to put some applique here as well. But I like how it looks so far, so good. Guys, see my tired face. I'm so stressed. The wedding is in 2 days, and I'm stressed. I'm tired, but I love how my dress looks. So I just have to do some finishing touches, and we're good to go.
So guys, I wanted to use the pearls on the cup, like on the entire cup, but I realized, I learned the hard way that these rivets, the rivets are those tiny pins that you use with the pearl machine to stick the pearls on the dress. I realized that those rivets they actually cannot pass through that thick breast cup. So I tried. My friend in the background, you can see my friend in the background, she's actually helping me embellish my wedding veil. If you haven't seen the tutorial on how I made my wedding veil, please check it out in the description box down below. So we both tried, but it didn't work. So I had to use these beads that have holes to actually sew them on that bodice area, okay, on that cup. Actually, I had to just sew it myself all the way. And guys, this took a long time, honestly. But then when I was done with that, I now went ahead to take the pearls and the pearl machine, and then I put some pearls on the net. Okay, so obviously the rivets could pass through the net, easy peasy. That wasn't an issue. It was entering the cup that was the issue. So I just used the pearls for the net only.
Guys, so this is how far I've gone with the dress. I put the appliques on the the bust area, and then obviously I sewed this in myself one by one all the way around, but these ones are pearls here. The ones on the net are pearls, so I put the pearls on the net. These pearls I couldn't put them on this because of the foam. The foam is like really thick, so the pin for the pearls couldn't go through from one side to the other side, so I had to sew this in myself all through. But then, so these are the beads that have stones, while these ones are normal pearls that have no stones. So I had to use the pearl machine for this side. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use these rhinestones. I'm going to use these rhinestones and just randomly place them on the bust area, just randomly, just a few, not too much. Place them randomly like that, just so that it gives a different look. It's not as used to stick, but you get the point basically. So just put them randomly like that all the way, and then same thing on this side, and then I'm done. Like, guys, I'm so tired.
Okay guys, this is the final look of the dress. This is how the dress turned out. See, don't mind that I am talking and interrupting this lovely dance performance here. But the thing is, I need to talk because I am so scared of copyright because of the song that's playing in the background. That's because of the song that's actually playing. So I'm scared of the copyright. So I just have to talk to the end of this clip. But I just wanted you guys to see what the dress looked like, and I wanted you guys to also have a feel of what the reception was. Guys, I had a lot of fun, like a lot of fun. I danced like there was no tomorrow. I danced so much and I honestly really had a good time. And after the big ball dress I wore for the wedding, it was such a relief to just change into this comfortable dress and just really have a nice time. So yeah guys, that's how it turned out. Yes, so guys, so if you know I can dance, just write in the comment section, SILEM, you can dance. Like, I need to see this in the comment. If you know in your heart that I really rocked it, let me know in the comment section. Anyway, this is my mom here, amazing woman, and this is my friend that helped me with the veil. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate all the support and love on this wedding series. Anyway guys, see you guys in my next one.